Hello there, everyone, and welcome. Today we're at the river Storå in Jutland, and over the past 5 years, I've spent a lot of time at this river, learning to become a salmon fisherman. And during these past 5 years, I've had the pleasure of having my camera along with me for trying to, and I've been trying to collect as many clips as possible, because fishing for salmon is an awesome sport, but or a game, or whatever you want to call it, but it's also something that takes a lot of patience. So what I wanted to do is to make a movie about how to fish for salmon, and it's taken me the past 5 years to collect all the different variations of clips and all sorts of things in order to be able to make a video like that. But I'm not gonna make only one. I'm gonna make 3. The first one is gonna contain a thorough walkthrough of all the gear you need and the gear we use at rivers like this in Denmark. The second one is gonna have the focus on where exactly do we locate the salmon in the rivers, where are the places where the salmon is laying or is holding up. And the third one is going to be about technique, about how to fish your fly, what types of fly, how to cast, what angle, what types of sinking lines, and all sorts stuff like that. So we've decided to make 3 movies, not 1, and these will be released over time here on the YouTube channel. And I know that this is fairly specific to a lot of the things here are fairly specific to the Danish rivers, but a lot of these things you can bring to Norway or to Iceland or to Kola Peninsula, for instance. So we hope you will watch these videos and enjoy them. Now I'm gonna go see if I can land one final salmon of this season. So thank you again for watching. Hope you will enjoy the next upcoming videos.